For 30 years, the MexiMelt was Taco Bell's best-kept secret until they ripped it away from us in 2019. But I've got the perfect copycat that'll make you forget that they ever discontinued it. We're going to start with the pico de gallo. Tomato, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, and salt. Stir that up together, set it aside. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on our taco seasoning blend. You're going to add all of these ingredients here, but don't worry. I have a link in the description box that you can get the recipe, so grab it there. You're going to mix up the seasoning blend, and then you are going to grab a skillet, brown your ground beef. When it's almost all the way done, add in the seasoning blend and a little bit of water. There you go. You have the perfect Taco Bell seasoning blend. Now we're going to make this up. Heat up your tortilla, add some cheese, add in the Taco Bell meat, and the pico de gallo. And then, guess what? That's how you bring back the legend. It's not just a taco, it's not just a quesadilla, it's pure perfection. Save this recipe and never miss the MexiMelt again. Hey, if you like copycat recipes, come to copycat.com.